Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you join me here today on one of Leamington Spa's most prestigious roads, Beauchamp Avenue. We have this stunning townhouse. At the rear, we've got a 3-bedroom coach house with garaging. Let's take a look inside. You join me in the beautiful south-facing rear garden of this wonderful townhouse. At the rear, we've got a 3-bedroom coach house. It really is a rare and unique opportunity to acquire a fabulous home in one of the best locations in Leamington. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.